Welcome to the Complete Knowledge. China development of a sixth generation fighter jet is processing rapidly. While details remain shrouded in secrecy, evidence indicates significant advancement with a readiness goal set for 2035. This development contrasts sharply with the US Air Force, which is questioning the expense of its own next generation air dominance fighter program, highlighted China's apparent determination. Sixth generation fighters are still in development worldwide, potentially features capabilities such as stealth, variable cycle engines advancement, human system integration, optional mining, and cutting edge digital technology including AI and cyber warfare. In January 2019, Wang Heng, chief designer at Chengdu Aerospace Corporation, acknowledged China pre-research into sixth generation fighter. He highlighted elements such as AI-enhanced stealth and omnidirectional sensors, with a target to field a fighter by 2035. Rick Joy, a commentator on the PLA, suggests a prototype flight by 2028 is possible, maintaining the 2035 timeline. China military ambitions continue to advance with the development of a sixth generation fighter jet, drawing significant attention from global defense analysts. Rick Joy, a commentator on the Pupil Liberation Army PLA who has contributed to the Diplomat, estimates that if China is to meet its 2035 timeline for deployment, a prototype must be ready by 2028. Joy believes this is feasible considering Beijing's constructive program of record. Dr. Mulvaney, director of China Aerospace Studies Institute at the US Air Force Department, agree with the outlook but offer a more extended timeline. We have a few snippets and quotes regarding China's sixth generation program, he said, predicting it. However, he noted the challenge in predicting the program space. I did say it would take at least a decade to put all the through and get everything in place, he said, emphasizing the need for advance in super cruise capabilities, engine development, and stealth technology. He acknowledged the potential for breakthrough in areas like quantum computing to accelerate progress. They make big beats. When those big beats pay off, they pay off in spades. Generally, Mark Kelly, head of the US Air Force Air Combat Command, confirmed the existence of China program, stating, I can also tell you they are on track. He added, they see is greatly the way we see it in terms of an exponential reduction in signature and exponential acceleration in processing power and sensing. Dr. Mulvaney highlighted China's historical challenge in jet engine development through he noted improvement. At the end of the day, that's just science. If you put enough time and effort and you mobilize that system, you can make a good aerospace engines. He said China might continue to buy Russian system and engines for refinement, but the WS engine series is expected to become just as capable. China future fighter may be optional main, reflecting advance in AI and associated technology. Dr. Mulvaney suggested you don't have to have a main and you potential let it go off on its own, or it could serve as a loyal wingman. The development of unmanned combat aerial vehicles and collaborative compact aircraft (CCA) is also prominent in China's strategy. Joy believes the PLA is testing a small number of advanced GJ-11 and assume other sophisticated are in development. A content that many drones display at air show do not represent the actual advanced models intended for the PLA. China J-20 fighter jet program offers insights into its capabilities. Dr. Mulvaney assessed the J-20 as fairly capable, pretty modern fighter. Thought not as advanced as the F-22 or F-35, he explained that the J-20's mission is to keep hostile fighter away from China borders, primarily using longer range missiles. Joy stated for the J-20 as a program, its scale, production run and rate has somewhat exceeded my own expectation. estimating production has reached 300 aircraft. The new J-20 powered by WS-15 engines will enhance its capabilities. China may use the J-20 to trial unmanned teaming as it develops the XD fighter jet. The twin-seat J-20B could serve as a technology demonstrator with one seat for a pilot and another for a battle manager. Dr. Mulvaney concluded that China Air Components is expected to become more integrated with its space and cyber force over the next 15 years. We should expect the China to, over the next 15 years, have their air components become more joint or integrated and probably also be more tied to both their space force and cyber force, he said, reflecting modern warfare trends. Generally, Mark Kelly of the US Air Force Air Combat Command confirmed China trajectory, nothing their alignment with US expectation regarding technological advancement. China effort are evidenced by AVIC artwork, statement from military officially, academic paper and satellite imagery of potential test beds. While some doubt China's ability to produce a credible sixth-generation fighter, experts like Dr. Mulvaney and Rick Joy believe China possesses the necessary know-how. Despite ongoing challenges, particularly with jet engines, China is closing the technological gap with continued advancement. China development include potential unmanned and optionally manned configuration, reflecting its ambition to integrate AI and drone capabilities. The PLA focus on collaborative compact aircraft underscore this trend. China's current J-20 fighter could serve as a platform for testing main unmanned teaming, paving the way for future innovation. Sixth-generation fighter technology are at the forefront of aviation innovation, incorporation. Fifth and sixth generation communication, the Internet of Things, and a system of system approach for extensive data sharing. These advancements, however, come with high cost. The fifth generation fighter era began with the Lockheed Martin Boeing F-22 Raptor in 2005. These jets are designed for network-centric compact, featuring low multi-spectral signature, advanced material and shaping techniques. They employ multifunction AESA radar IRST for situational awareness and sophisticated awareness for enhanced performance. Examples include the F-22, F-35 Lightning II, Russia Sukhoi 57, China Chengdu J-20 and Shenyang J-31, and India developing AMCA. Sixth generation fighters emphasize digital capabilities, AI, data fusion, cyber warfare and modular design for ease of upgrade. These techniques include advanced stealth airframes, AESA radar and GaN transistors, increase battlefield survivability and the ability to undertake manned and unmanned missions. They also feature high capabilities networking, battlefield command capabilities and dues such as laser series. Launched in 2018, the UK Tempest program led by BAE System explores new technology like DUE, augmented reality cockpits and AI supported intelligent virtual assistant. The program has expanded to include Sweden and Italy, focusing on future compact air system. After the US restricted F-22 exports, Japan initiated its own fighter program, resulting in the Mitsubishi FX. This program emphasizes air superiority, next generation techniques and affordability, with potential collaboration with the UK Tempest program under the Jaguar initiative. Announced in December 2022, GCAP is a multinational initiated by the UK, Japan and Italy to develop a sixth generation stealth fighter. It combines the UK and Italy Tempest and Japan's FX program with an equal partnership among member nations. The program aims to replace the Eurofighter Typhoon and Mitsubishi F2 with service induction expected around 2035. GCAP must address several challenges including integrated advanced AI, data fusion, secure communication and DU. It must also ensure capabilities with NATO standard and partner countries requirement. The program aims for enhanced speed, range, low observability and resilience against adversary jamming while controlling development and project cost. The US Next Generation AI Dominance NGAD program and China's 6th generation effort highlighted the global race for air superiority. NGAD aims to succeed of F-22 Raptor with a family of systems, while China developing advanced radar, avionics and engine technology. India is still developing its AMCA faces a strategic decision on whether to join international programs like GCAP or the French-led FCAS. Collaborative routes could offer shared cost of risk, but India must carefully navigate its options while advancing its indigenous technology. China accelerated development of 6th generation fighter jet underscores the dynamic nature of global military technology. As China advances, the international community must remain vigilant and innovative to maintain strategic balance. So guys, thanks for your watching my video and please like, share and subscribe the channel.